Facebook, YouTube, hope you guys are having a great day. It is Monday. Happy Monday, everybody out there. We're in St. Louis today doing the screen and recoat for a repeat client. They just bought this house and they want to fix it up to rent it out. And the floors, like I said, they're in rough shape and they understand they want to make it look better. Not perfect, just improved. So we're going to screen them down aggressively and then recoat them. So these are the floors. Common red oak. And we're just, like I said, just screen them down. They got a little water damage there and they're okay with that. Just gonna screen these down real good and then coat it with 2 coats of polyurethane, water base, satin sheen. They got a lot of paint on the floor, so you guys can see. And of course, this one right here, there's a couple, a little bit of gaps, and they're okay. They're gonna wood fill that later, and we're not gonna do the closet. Yeah, guys, that's what we're doing. Stay tuned. All right, Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. Screen and recoat in St. Louis, Missouri today. We got a total of about 800 square feet at $250 a square foot. This is a repeat client, and they just bought this to rent it out. And they want these floors to look improved, not perfect, but improved. And that's what we're doing here today. So, hope you guys are having a great day. This is common red oak. They're going with a natural look, satin sheen, water base. And again, guys, this service they can get done the same day. You can walk on it a few hours after we're finished. It's half the cost of sanding, and the best part, there's no odor. So if you get a technician, palm sanding now, and stay tuned for some more results. As always, don't forget to follow us and like and subscribe on YouTube, and we'll see you soon. Beautiful. You can just see that difference, guys. Also, if you want to schedule an appointment, you can go to our website, wecansaveyourfloors.com, hit the book now tab at the top, fill out the form, and then we'll follow up with an estimate for you guys. We do free phone estimates and also in-home consultations. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're already screen and tacked. We're getting ready to lay the poly now. As you can see, it's going down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, the first coat we laid down. We're gonna go back about 2 hours. We've got some lunch, come back with the next coat. And this is the way it looks, guys. Client's gonna love it. As always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, got back, quick update. Check it out. First coat dried well, satin sheen. These floors absolutely look stunning. Stay tuned. Check it out, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice little satin sheen. Get this other bedroom out. Look at that, guys. That's why we can save your floors. Call AO. This was a screen and recoat. All right, guys, stay tuned. And of course, here's the other part. This is water damage there. They knew that wouldn't come out, but the rest turned out absolutely stunning. Probably put an air rub there to kind of blend it. And then this service is half the cost of sanding, done the same day, no odor, and you can walk on it as you see I'm doing 3 hours after done. So yeah, guys, this turned out good. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, just got back. Check this out, guys. This floor looks absolutely stunning. This is the screen and recoat that they wanted done because they're going to rent this out. They didn't want to go through the hassle of sanding. So we only charge $250 a square foot. We've got about 800 square feet. And as you can see, this is common red oak, no stain to it. So we basically screened it real good, aggressively, and applied 2 coats of water-based satin sheen polyurethane. And we did do an amber tint to it. which that's why you can see has a nice amber tone to it. And of course, there's some water damage. They understood that wouldn't come out. They did not want to sand it nor stain it, so they're probably just put an air rug there. But yeah, guys, that's what we did here for them today. These bedrooms turned out absolutely gorgeous. Look at that out, guys. And there's a bunch of paint spatter, a bunch of wear and tear and debris and dirt, and just, losing its luster, and we were able to correct that for them. And then, of course, last but not least, check this out. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. They are so happy and so thankful. Again, guys, you need a service, reach out. We're happy to help you out. You can book online, AOCleaning.com, or you can give us a call, and we got you covered. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, it's gonna do it. This is the second coat of polyurethane, satin sheen. The client loves it, and that's gonna be a wrap. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.